I'm Michalak.
And I'm Ziegler.
And we're here to talk about our telescope project. So our objective was find a telescope that would meet our certain astrophotography needs. We want a telescope that could take clear pictures of the sky, just various objects that we see in the night sky. We wanted to take into consideration the durability, functionality, and other aspects of the telescopes.
One of the main things that we were looking for was a telescope that had refractive properties. The refractor telescopes are the best for what we were trying to do because, for one thing, they tend to have very good resolution, and we need the resolution property in order to take very clear pictures. The only downside to refractor telescopes is that they tend to be expensive, but they also need a lot less maintenance.
Okay, so here we have your refractor telescope. We decided to go with a refractor because it uses lenses as opposed to mirrors, and it requires a lot less maintenance. They're a little more reliable, and we can get some nice, clear, crisp pictures off of them. With us, we have some attachments and accessories for it. Here we have a light filter. So this is actually used for looking at bright objects in the sky, such as the moon. And what Mike has here is a 10mm lens, which would allow us to see farther into space. This is the Blue 4.5 Go-To telescope. It is priced at $475. Being a reflector, we didn't want it to be our telescope that we were going to use because reflectors required more maintenance than we really wanted to deal with. Plus, being cheap, it wasn't very high quality. Next, we have the Silver 6 GPS telescope. It is priced at $520. It's very similar to the Blue 4.5 telescope. Once again, it's a reflector, requires maintenance, and its low price also came with a bunch of malfunctions and issues. Then we have the Nexstar 102 SLT telescope. It is a refracting telescope that is priced at $400. When we did some research about it, we found that people were finding dust and debris inside the lenses, which is a major cause for concern when we're doing astrophotography because we don't want bits of dust blocking our pictures. Next we have the ED100 EQG telescope. It is a refracting telescope that is priced at $1,800. It was fairly expensive, but very nice. It did not come with a camera though, so that deterred our group from choosing it as the telescope that we wanted to pick for our project. And finally, we came to the ED80TCF Astrophotography Bundle.
We have made our decision. We decided to choose the refractor telescope model ED80TCF. It has an aperture of 80mm, and it also has a focal length of 480mm. It comes with a camera already, and the focal ratio is f/6. It has a revolution of 1.56 arcseconds at 500 nanometers. It costs about $1,900 as well.
Though that this telescope is pricey, it does come with a camera, and cameras and telescopes separately can get pretty pricey. But the fact that it's coming with a camera is nice, and the pictures come out very clear, and it requires a lot less maintenance than most reflector telescopes.
The accessories we decided to choose are different eyepieces, 12 to 15 millimeters in length, and we also decided to get color filters to block out excess light from surrounding stars.
With two different eyepieces, we will be able to take photos of many different objects as well as give us some nice stargazing opportunities. With this telescope bundle, we will be able to achieve our goal as well as give us some extra fun on the side.